guys? Today I'll be doing a part 3 of or part 4. Part 3, part 4. I don't know. I lost track. Sorry. Well, anyways, this is a part of the Titanic breakup theories. This happens to be a Park Stevenson's breakup theory. So this is the first theory. Park Stevenson. The Titanic also develops a large list to port. The first funnel collapses. Soon the second at 2:16 a.m. Always the always the fourth funnel collapses last. Right? No, we might actually see. Well, anyways, the lights go out, and then soon just wait. Then the ship breaks in more than 5 sections. The entire stern develops a large list to port until it goes upright. Well, not that much upright because it goes about in a 55 degree angle when it goes in its final plunge. Well, then the entire ship sinks under, and there you go. The ship is gone. Oh my gosh, another flippin' ad. Now let's go with Roy Mangott's theory. Now this happened in 2007. Watch. At 2:17 a.m., the keel breaks. Both the funnels fall off, and more parts break off from the Titanic. More parts would fall off until it's just the stern which is left still floating. Until the ship's stern goes vertical at 2:18 a.m. By 2:19 a.m. it's going on its final plunge. And then by 2:20 a.m. it's already gone. And why is there Titanic Animations? Credit, this is Titanic Animations. Now let's go for the V-brake. Now everybody hates the V-brake. Including me. I don't like the V-brake. And I think this is like Aeron 1912's theory. Well, let's find out. Could that be Aeron 1912's theory? No. When it breaks, the keel actually breaks. The funnels fall one by one, and of course the second funnel is the first one to fall until a lot of pieces would fall off due to the V-brake itself. A part where the aft grand staircase is supposed to be and the stern itself would stay upright until the entire stern would turn over and literally develop a very sharp list to port. Like very, very sharp. People actually fell. Then the stern turns around and sinks. Why does it turn around? Because the wreck. Wait. Now let's go Breadmaster Duck. And this is Aeron 1912's V-brake. Everybody hates Aeron 1912's theory. Well, that is 2009 to 2011. This is inaccurate. This is actually an inaccurate theory. Why do people even do this? Well, now let's go find out. When the ship's bridge is gone, the keel breaks, and also the split is right in front of the third funnel. The first funnel collapses, while the second stays upright like it's a floating building. Well, this happens very weird, like it goes on a Aeron 1912's theory. A boiler explosion caused caused the second funnel to collapse. Then the third would collapse. Another break happens. Another break occurs. Another break occurs. Yes. However, then the stern goes not that much vertical until it goes under sideways. Now this is the most stupidest theory. Why do people even believe in this? Everybody hates this theory, including me. Well, the last theory was pretty nice. Well, what is this in the water? What? Why is there something in the water? Well, anyway, now let's go with Inside the Titanic documentary. Now this one is pretty unique. Now let's go look at the sinking. Now let's go look at the entire sinking. Its final plunge. The second funnel collapses. Soon the Titanic's stern goes into a very, very low angle, about 2 to 3 degrees. The second and fourth funnel actually appear to be over the water until a spark occurs and then the bow goes under. Large smoke fills in the air until the fourth funnel collapses off the ship. Parts of the stern break off and the stern goes upright. That is a pretty nice. That looks of it. It looks like a pretty nice theory. I don't know why. Is there a breakup when the waterline is situated on the stern? Now let's go for what I watched. I watched the 2012 Julian Fellows miniseries. And yes, this is the entire thing. So, Julian Fellows' 2012 miniseries, I actually watched that, along with Titanic's 1953 movie and 1997, and also Titanic 2 of 2010. Well, let's go to this theory. We actually get a very low angle. Very, very low angle, I mean. Until something extremely weird occurs. When the water is up to the bridge, the Titanic's forward funnel collapses into the water. And when the water reaches the spot where the first funnel actually appeared to be, well, the entire stern goes into a high angle until suddenly the ship breaks in half. Now there is something weird. The backward mast breaks off, as well as the third and fourth funnel, while the second funnel stays. This is a very weird theory. This looks like, well, this is a very crazy theory. We actually looked. Anyways, guys, this is a part 4. Yes, this is a part 4. I finally remembered. And make sure to like and subscribe. Of course, I say that every single video. I'm just gonna say bye.